In previous video, we have seen how to receive advance from the customer. In this video, we will see how to use that advance amount for the invoice. I select new. I am selecting the customer. Payment mode. Here I am selecting the prepaid advance. So it will show the receipts related to this customer. So for this customer, we have only one advance payment, 500 QAR. I am selecting this. Now I can add the service. For this service, he is paying us 100 QAR. I am selecting the employee and save. Now I am clicking pay. Now from the advance 500, this customer used 100 QAR. Now we will make one more invoice for the same customer. I am selecting new, selecting the same customer Rizwan. Payment mode is prepaid. Now I am selecting the receipt. It will show us 400 because from the advance payment 500, we already received 100 from this customer. So balance is 400. So like this, we can use this balance until it will become 0.